Okay, I just wanted to take a quick video of how it looked straight out the box. This is it. I'll be back when I'm finished. Hello everyone, it's me, Jay again, and I am back as I promised. I wanted to show you guys this hair that I got from rpghair.com. As I said in my previous video that I just ordered a wig and I wanted to do a review on it. So yeah, so this, I'm trying to get everything together. It came in this box. I ordered two and both of them came in this box, so that's good. It's a simple box. Also, it came with like, I guess 3 gifts. This is like, I guess a wig stand. I won't be using this, I don't think so, but it's nice to know that if you don't have like a mannequin head, that you can use that. Also, what else did it come with? Oh yeah, it came with, which I think is so cute. They never had this before. It's the RPG, I don't know if you can see that, RPG hair bag. It says fashion hair, fashion life, which I think is adorable. So, because I'm going on vacation soon, I think I'm gonna bring this with me. Inside of it, it came with like some bobby pins, wig caps, 2 comes inside of it. What else? It has like a hair clip, I guess, and it came with like scrunchies, like to catch up your hair, and all of that was really cute. It also came with like a card. It's saying like, want to share your beauty, share a photo on Instagram, and they'll post it if you have their hair, which I probably might do. Also, it came with a headband. Okay, so yeah, so this is all the stuff on the hair. The hair is LF, I don't know if you can see good, but LFW32. The hair color, I got a natural color. The length was 18 inches. The hair density, I got 150. And the hair texture is called deep wave. I'm gonna put a little clip in of how it looks. It doesn't come like this straight out the pack. You know, you gotta comb it up and stuff or whatever, but I really like how it looks, and you know, I'm just playing with it. This is the first day, you know, as you get better with it as time goes on. But this is how it looks. Looks really natural looking. Sorry about that. That's my daughter. But, yeah, I think it's some really good hair. The parting space, I didn't really do much to the parting. I'm gonna have to do something. I don't know what yet, but I'll be doing, like putting some concealer and like some foundation. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but so far this is just putting in some baby hairs and combing it out. Well, finger combing it. I did wet it and it looked really nice actually. When I did that, let me see if I can find some water. I can't find my spray bottle right now, because if I could, I would have put it in there. Of course, you know, when it's wet, it's it looks thinner, but it looks really nice. You know, I like that look. Yeah, I'm getting like notifications. It's crazy. So, oh, and just as I told you, I ordered it Sunday and it came yesterday actually, but I wasn't home to sign for it, so I ended up getting it today. I know, sucks, right? But nonetheless, I mean, that shows you it's 3-day shipping, sometimes 2-day shipping, even though it comes from China.
But I will keep you posted on how it holds up.
But I just love it. I love it. It's like natural curls, and the curls are more defined when they're wet. Let me see if I can find my spray bottle real quick, and I'll come back to you. Give me 1 second. Okay, so you guys, I could not find my spray bottle, so I just tried to wet it really quickly. But as you can see, it looks so nice, and I don't have any oil clean or anything in this, no oils or anything. I haven't put any products in it, just water so far. But it's really cute. Really, really cute. See, when you wet it, like the curls look so much more defined. Okay, so yeah, my rating for RPG hair, of course, I mean, I'm not gonna say a 10. I don't think it's a 10 because I don't think I can find any hair that's a 10, but I'll give it like a 9.5. You know, because it's really good hair. I mean, it's so cute, you know. I mean, you might have to do a little bit of work when you get it out the package, because like I said, it didn't come like this initially, but it's not too much to do. You know, it's not too much, and the curls are just, gorgeous. Okay, I'm loving it. Like, I'm really, really loving it. So, yeah, so please subscribe down below, and, well, subscribe and comment down below if you'd like, or if you like the video, or if you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll try my best to answer anything for you. Alright, I will definitely be trying this in a half up, half down, because that's my go-to hairstyle. I haven't tried that yet, so it's in a rush today, but yeah, so this is again the LFW32. See you guys next time. Bye.